The Overland AI ULTRA is a fully autonomous, uncrewed ground vehicle built for tactical missions in extreme terrain. Powered by Overland AI's overdrive software and Spark hardware, it carries up to 1,000 pounds, reaches 35 miles per hour, and operates 100 miles even without GPS. Its rugged 4x4 platform with long travel suspension, steep approach angles, and large tires handles mud, sand, snow, brush, and volcanic ground. With modular mounts for reconnaissance, counter-UAS, logistics, medevac, ISR, and breaching, ULTRA connects through mesh networks, 5G, satellites, or Android ATAK systems for seamless command. The Onewheel Rally XL is the biggest and most powerful one-wheel yet, built for rugged terrain and high performance. It hits 25 miles per hour, offers 18 to 28 miles of range, and starts at $3,500. Key upgrades include a massive 12-inch XL tire for more clearance, traction, and cushioning, 50% more torque from enhanced power electronics, and P50 battery cells boosting range by 11%. Extended rails improve stability, while raised axle bolts keep ride height consistent. Premium features like intelligent LED lighting, a light bar, footpad sensor, hypercore motor, NSK bearings, bumpers, powder coat finish, and a magnetic carry handle push performance and usability further. The TrikExplor F426E is a powerful 4WD recumbent quad built for extreme terrain. Available with a single 500W motor and 48V 14.5 Ah battery or an upgraded dual motor and dual battery setup, it delivers 60 to 70 kilometers of range, or up to 140 kilometers. Its rugged build includes a 6061T6 aluminum frame, 26 by 4.8-inch fat tires, D&M rear air suspension, Shimano hydraulic front brakes, and Avid rear brakes. With a 1x11 drivetrain, breathable mesh seat reclined at 40 degrees, and a power divider for true AWD control, it offers unmatched off-road mobility and modular power. The Lexus Hoverboard, called Slide, is a magnetic levitation concept that lets riders float above a custom magnetic track. Using high-temperature superconductors cooled by liquid nitrogen, it hovers frictionlessly for about 20 minutes, carrying up to 200 kilograms and even gliding over water. Its bamboo and carbon fiber design reflects Lexus craftsmanship, but since it requires special magnetized tracks, it remains a stunning demonstration of innovation rather than a commercial product. The Heybike Mars 3.0 is a folding fat tire e-bike powered by a 750W motor, 400W peak, with 95 Nm torque, accelerating 0 to 20 miles per hour in 6 seconds. Its 624Wh removable battery delivers up to 65 miles of pedal assist range. Featuring full suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, a torque sensor, and a 440 pounds payload capacity, it combines power with comfort. Extras include a TFT display with NFC start, integrated lights, turn signals, horn, and IP-rated electronics, all in a sleek, foldable frame. The Afreda S8 Triwheel e-bike offers stability, comfort, and versatility for riders of all ages. Its wide 14-inch tires, dual 48V removable batteries, up to 50 miles range, and 500W rear hub motor ensure smooth, agile rides. A patented suspension system maintains three-wheel contact even at 40 degrees leans with 11-inch travel, while hydraulic disc brakes add safety. With 1-second folding, a tail wheel for easy transport, and an LCD display for power and speed, the S8 blends urban convenience with off-road capability. The INMOTION V12S is a high-performance electric unicycle with a 1440 Wh Samsung battery, delivering up to 75 miles, 120 kilometers, of range and speeds up to 43.5 miles per hour, 70 kilometers per hour. Its 500W motor, 6000W peak, ensures powerful acceleration, while 90mm hydraulic suspension provides smooth rides. Features include a 4.3-inch touchscreen, RGB lighting, dual speakers, smart locking, and IP-rated water resistance. Weighing 77 pounds 35 kilograms, and supporting up to 309 pounds 140 kilograms, the V12S combines rugged durability with premium tech. The 2025 Yamaha Tricity 300 combines three-wheel stability with agile urban performance. Powered by a 292 cubic centimeters Blue Core 5 Euro Plus engine, 20.6 kilowatts, 29 Newton meters, and V-belt automatic transmission, it ensures smooth power delivery. Dual telescopic forks, rear suspension, and ABS-equipped disc brakes enhance comfort and control. With a 13L fuel tank, 239 kilograms weight, and standing assist for easy stops, the Tricity 300 offers confidence, practicality, and commuter style. The Carver One is a unique tilting three-wheeler that blends motorcycle agility with car-like comfort. Powered by a turbocharged 660 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, 68 horsepower, 100 Newton meters, and 5-speed manual, it accelerates 0 to 60 miles per hour in 8 seconds with a 115 miles per hour top speed. Its dynamic vehicle control tilts the cockpit up to 45 degrees while the rear stays upright, delivering thrilling cornering. Compact at 3.44 m long and 1.32 m wide, it seats two in tandem inside a protective monocoque shell with steering wheel and pedals. The Aptera Solar EV is more than just a car, it's a revolutionary step toward sustainable mobility. Featuring a sleek, aerodynamic three-wheeled design made from lightweight composite materials, it achieves an impressive 400-mile range on a single charge. What truly sets it apart is its integrated solar technology, capable of adding up to 40 miles of range per day under optimal sunlight, making many daily commutes possible without ever plugging in. Priced at $40,000 for the launch edition, the Aptera combines futuristic design, efficiency, and eco-friendly innovation, redefining what personal transportation can be in the modern age. The Furo Raptor is a futuristic three-wheeled scooter with a modular design, featuring a detachable upper unit on a motorized base for versatile use. Compact and lightweight at 54 kilograms, it's powered by a 48V battery, offering a 40 kilometers range, 40 kilometers per hour top speed, and 7-hour charging. Agile, safe, and reconfigurable, the Raptor transforms everyday mobility into an innovative platform.
Das AD Motor Citytan M 315 ist ein preisgünstiges faltbares E-Trike mit einem 500W Motor, 100W Spitze und einem 48V13-5er Samsung-Akku, das bis zu 105 Kilometer Reichweite und 32 Kilometer pro Stunde Geschwindigkeit bietet. Sein niedriger Step-Druckrahmen mit 36 cm Überstandshöhe, Vorderradfederung, Hinterrachsdifferential und 3 Reifen sorgen für Komfort und Stabilität. Mit 7 Tretunterstützungsstufen, Gashebel, 163 Kilogramm Traglast und platzsparender Faltbarkeit ist es ideal für zugängliche, alltägliche Mobilität.
The Pumper Car Lux is a three-wheeled fitness-focused vehicle combining exercise with mobility. Its carbon fiber and aluminum tadpole frame features a patented pump action system that works both arms and legs while riding. With power assist, it reaches 25 miles per hour and up to 25 miles of range. Highlights include adjustable seating, foldable design, LED lights, hand brakes, pinch point protection, and a performance computer, all supporting up to 500 pounds. The City Transformer CT2 is a shape-shifting electric microcar designed for urban mobility. At just 2.5 m long, it narrows to 1.0 m wide for city mode, slipping through traffic and parking like a bike, then expands to 1.3 m for stability and 90 km per hour top speed. Dual rear motors, 15 kilowatts, 22 kilowatts peak, and a 15 kilowatt-hours LFP battery deliver 120 to 180 kilometers range with 4.5-hour charging. Features include disc brakes, ABS, ESP, ADAS safety systems, and 450 L of cargo space. Weighing only 560 kilograms, the CT2 blends compact agility with real car practicality. The Lectric XP Trike 2 delivers three-wheel stability with a hydroformed aluminum frame, low 13.5-inch standover, and a Cloud 50 suspension fork. It offers either a 500W motor, 1092W peak, or a 750W upgrade, 300W peak, with torque sensor, paired with removable UL-certified batteries for 50 to 70 miles of range. Safety features include hydraulic brakes, parking brake, turn signals, brake light, headlamp, and reflective tires. With a foldable design, adjustable handlebars, TFT display, and 415 pounds payload capacity, it balances comfort, control, and versatility.